Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is 22nd of August and Nifty opened flat, and this is the first candle that Nifty made. After yesterday's disaster, I thought of not trading today, but still I entered. So this was the support line. This black line was a support or resistance line. So Nifty crossed this and I waited for another 5 minutes. So I should have entered here exactly, but I waited for another 5 minutes due to yesterday's actions. Then I entered here at a PE trade. This was my entry, the high of this candle. This was my entry for a PE trade. It was out of the money, far out of the money. So I entered here and exited around. It was forming a doji. So I entered at around 4. After 4 minutes of this candle was formed. So after 4 minutes it closed here, and then the next candle started falling down. So I exited at this point because it was showing me a profit of 8 points, and I exited. Not 8 points, 6 points. And if I could have waited for a couple of more minutes, I could have captured 10 to 15 points minimum. But I didn't give in to my greed. I saw a profit of 450 and I exited because from a 600 rupees loss, I thought that 450 I recovered today, and which is good. So within the next week I can recover the rest. So I exited and it came down here, and that was my only one trade, because yesterday I traded 10, 12, 13 times. So I broke my rule of one trade. So that is the reason, but I exited in this candle here. No issues. And then Nifty came down. So this is where it closed. So in case Monday it goes below this line, then we could see 24,600, or it may go up. Anything can happen. So this was my trade for today, and this is the setup that I one trade only, and that's it. I don't want to I didn't wanted to fight or chase anything. So that's it for today. See you guys Monday.